This app has taken the world by storm. With its trendy challenges from dancing, singing, and anything about entertainment, it's a unique app to pass the time and be entertained or be the one who entertains. I'm sure you have this app in your phone. So how do we make money through TikTok? But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. Developing and selling accounts. First way people are making money from TikTok is by growing accounts and then selling them. This is becoming more and more popular in the e-commerce or product space similar to Instagram. You're going to choose a niche and then go ahead and create entertaining content. Ideally, content that goes viral to attract that person who would be the ideal customer for your product. There are already people in this space today who are growing TikTok profiles around a certain interest. Usually, it's a niche topic and they might not have anything to sell, but they're going to reach out to brands in that industry and sell their TikTok profile. The good news for product brands is that once they have that account in their hands, it's actually fairly easy to sell products. One way that people are selling products is through TikTok Live. They are launching products while live streaming, or they're actually holding auctions while live streaming. And of course, there's always the link in the bio where you can always drive your followers to purchase your product. So, if you're the type of person who loves TikTok and you just want to grow a following around a certain topic and build that community around a certain topic, go for it and then reach out to those brands who would love to have access to those followers and sell them your account. Second step, donations. The second way people are making money from TikTok is by going live and collecting donations from viewers, just like you can do on other platforms like Twitch. I found this feature of TikTok fascinating. It's really a built-in monetization platform, literally from day one from what I've seen. Here's how it works. When you're a TikTok user, you can go into your profile and purchase something called coins for 100 coins. It will set you back $1.39. Now what do you do with these coins? When one of your favorite creators is going live, you can actually send them coins as a way of giving thanks for all their effort in creating the content. They do what the creator does with this coin. The creator turns the coins into diamonds, and those diamonds can be converted into cash via PayPal. My guess is that this feature will be available to accounts all over the world sooner rather than later. The third step is to manage influencer campaigns. The third way to make money from TikTok is to manage influencer campaigns. This is not a new idea. There are straight-up influencer agencies to serve Instagram influencers already. The same concept applies to TikTok. You can be the middleman or the broker between a creator on TikTok and a brand who wants to work with that influencer. From creating the agreement, managing both parties, and making sure the deliverables are all met. You can charge a service fee to manage campaigns like that. The thing about TikTok as a platform is that they actually have an internal influencer program already built in. The only thing is that you're going to pay a percentage to TikTok for brokering that agreement. That is where you can come in as a service or agency to make that agreement outside of TikTok and help brands save a little bit of money. The fourth way you can make money from TikTok is by using their ad platform, just like Facebook and Instagram ads. You can go right now to TikTok ads and sign up for access to their ad platform. It is pretty self-explanatory if you've ever run paid traffic before. So if your market's on TikTok, it might be worth you creating a few ads and putting some budget toward experimenting there and seeing what happens. Maybe you can sell more of your products through TikTok. Number 5. Management services. The fifth way you can make money from TikTok is by offering management services for creators on the app. Some creators on TikTok have millions of followers, and sometimes this happens really fast and overnight for that creator. It's like having a business land in their lap. TikTok profile of Charli D'Amelio with 14.4 million followers. You can step in and offer services to help them with their content strategy. Their creative strategy may be manage offers and deals that comes their way. If you have that background in production or storytelling, you could definitely apply that to offer management services to TikTok creators. Number 6 is consulting. Last but not the least, once you become a pro on TikTok and maybe you really understand how someone could take a video that maybe gets 100 views and help them get 100,000 views, you can simply offer consulting services. This is a fantastic way to leverage your platform expertise and assist people who want to be famous on TikTok or who wants to be creators in improving their strategy so that their videos are seen by hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people. Of course, you need to have the background and the experience in this verse to offer this as a service. But once you're there, people will pay you to have your experience and your brain on their account. And if you help them get any deals or influencer agreements, you can even negotiate a percentage or a cut of that deal simply because you are their consultant and you have helped them go viral on TikTok. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.